what you're doing, making me feel like
All right, both kids are in the car and we are off to school. I already dropped Wilder off and I'm on my way to Delilah's daycare. We have these really beautiful hot air balloons every morning. I think they're so cool. I finally got the tripod out so it could sit and be recorded. And there it is in the background with my dirty windows, but I think that's a really cute view of the mountains. So I'm really excited that I have a tripod for the car now. So yeah, we are gonna head on in. I'm gonna drop Delilah off and then I'm going to go to school. I have made it to school. I have a motion detector, so my lights didn't turn on. They don't until I get to the back of my classroom. First things first, I like to turn on my oil diffuser, and I use Young Living oils, and they are just basic oils like lavender and things like that in the classroom. I make sure no kids are allergic, so don't worry about that. And today's task is to get all of this clay into the kiln. I found some of it from about 2 years ago when we went into quarantine and they told us to grab everything. I couldn't grab all of the kids' art. I teach, 400 to 500 kids, so it's a little tricky. I am working on this as well. I have these filing cabinets and I'm trying to do these large coloring sheets for the kids to color. I thought that maybe they would have fun. And then I need to replenish my free time area. So I have coloring pages, colored paper, and regular paper. And then over here, every morning I clean off the drying rack. That's something that I learned in student teaching just to keep things organized and put together. So we do quite a bit of painting. I did these veggie print mandalas with 5th grade. They are dry and I took them off the drying rack and put them on their shelf. And then I always check and make sure all of the lessons are put together and ready for the day. Since I do teach every grade level every day, it's just easy to make sure that everything is set up in the beginning of the day because there's such a small transition between each class. So I'm noticing that 1st grade is missing their example, so I'm going to go find that and get it on there. Now that I've taught my morning classes, I'm on to lunch. I went to Whole Foods yesterday and I got some mild guacamole with some homemade chips. They are super, super tasty. And then I picked up some sushi. This is just veggie sushi, pretty pricey at Whole Foods, of course. That's why I call it whole paycheck sometimes. But I just needed something quick and I wanted something nourishing and delicious. The white rice cucumber avocado roll actually does not have any honey in it, so it's vegan. But if you do the brown rice, it is not vegan. It is lunchtime. You just saw what I'm eating, and I'm going to put together this peace sign. I'm trying to teach kindergarten warm and cool colors, so I'm going to do half with warm and half with cool. So I'll show you what I did. So I know it's been a while for you, but warm colors are, your orange, yellows, pinks, and reds, and then your cool colors, blue, green, purple, turquoise, things like that. So I made little flowers for the peace sign, and then I'm going to hot glue them on. And I think this will be a good way to point to what are warm colors and what are cool colors, and it's decorative and cute in the classroom. So I'm going to get that done during my little 20-minute break here, and I will get back with you. All right, actually, I'm not going to get back with you because I do only have 20 minutes, so I have to get set up for 1st grade, and then I have 3rd grade, and then 2nd grade, and then I'm gonna go get the kids and we are gonna head home. So I will probably see you at home next. Okay, so far this is what I have. Definitely want to put more on here when I get the chance. So I'll just go all the way up here and then one side and one side, and I'm gonna hang it right there because it looks ugly right there. These are my supplies over on this side. I forgot to show you. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done, teach some kids, and I'll see you at home. All right, so the peace sign is done, and I'm just throwing this in here, but we listen to Disney sing-alongs. If there's any teachers out there that want some great background music, this is a really good playlist. We are back home and now I am on to the car. I really need to clean it out. I should probably be doing this weekly, but I just, don't get to it as often as I should. The kids are in the car so much, and you can see that Wilder took all of his crackers and picked them apart today. So that was a fun little surprise to get to. He also has a sandbox at his school and has like a ridiculous amount of sand in his shoes every time he takes them off in the car. So I'm just going in with my Dyson and vacuuming everything up, trying to wipe things down. Tomorrow it's going to be just as dirty, but I just feel like this helps a little bit. Hopefully sometime this weekend I can take it to one of those shops and get it all done myself, or maybe I can find an inexpensive person to come and detail the car. I know it's a tough job though, so I'm not trying to cheap out, but there are places where I can get it done and save some money. So I'm just moving into the house at this point. Hey friends, we just got home. I am cleaning up a little bit. The kids are outside with my husband and I'm gonna start on dinner. My Kate Quinn order came. If you don't know about Kate Quinn, you should look it up because it's my favorite. So I'm super excited. I will show you some little pieces I got for Delilah and the fall time. I got some for Wilder as well, so it'll be super cute for like school pictures. Sorry, I'm watching them from out the window. Delilah's like really into checking out the cacti that we have, so I just gotta watch her like a hawk. My husband's there, but you know how they can be sometimes, so I'm just watching and then I'm gonna get dinner started, so I'll show you what we're gonna make. All right, here is my minimal Kate Quinn haul for the fall. I have 2 messed up items, so I'm gonna contact customer support. They're really awesome, but they're just the wrong size and not the size I ordered. But I'll start over here. I got a crib sheet for Delilah. This is the hollyhock print. I've been waiting a while for that. I think it's super beautiful. All of this is made organically, and I think it is the best for my kids' skin. They are super sensitive, so I'm happy that they are stylish, affordable, and organic. I have 2 teacher dresses for me. They're just long sleeve, and they go below the knee, which I really like for teaching because they're comfy. I have the little fern with the ruffle sleeves for Delilah. I thought that was super cute. And then they collabed with Little Liam, I think is why it says Little Liam and Kate Quinn. I have this little jumpsuit with the hood. I thought that was super cute for her in the fall. And then for Wilder, I got some shorts because he's still playing outside and it's hot in Colorado still. And then I got him some train pants. He really loves trains, so I thought he would like this. And then I also got him some jumpsuits. I know they're not like potty training, they're not recommended for it, but he loves having a hood on his clothes, and I thought they would be cute just for, I don't know, days that I want them to match. I'm that parent. And then I got Delilah a hollyhock onesie. This is 12 to 18, and it looks like, it's 18 to 24. It looks huge, so we shall see when she fits into that. And then I got this gingham, and I believe the print is mulberry, but that is all that I got. I'm super excited, and these are all the clothes that I'm gonna need for them in the fall, so very minimal, and I'm pretty excited to pair it with some leggings that are coming in as part of the second order. All right, we are making some tacos. If you saw my last video, maybe 2 videos ago, I'm not sure, I don't remember. I did black beans and lentils with some taco seasoning, so that will be my meat, and then my husband has some ground beef here. We just make the whole pound or 2 and then save half of it. We're gonna use a taco kit. I have a block of the Miyoko's cheddar that I'm gonna shred. That's my cheese. And then I'm also going to do some bell pepper and onion with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, olive oil. Put that in the oven at 400 for around 15 minutes. And then on the side, I have some frozen brown rice, super easy, and the ultimate Southwest blend. And then I'm gonna top that with some black bean and corn salsa and guacamole. And then my husband really likes this gourmet nacho cheddar cheese sauce. It's like cheese in a can, essentially. I'm personally not gonna have any of that, but I'm gonna make it for him. And then the kids are just gonna have some of that lasagna that we had the other night, the leftover lasagna, and a little bit of cheese because they love it. So I'm gonna get this all together. I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. The kids' dinners are ready to go. I noticed that this was orange and this was orange, so I did that in orange. Viola thinks it's funny when anything is all the same color. Did it with blueberries once. I don't know. It was cute. So let's see if they eat it. It's just that leftover lasagna, cheese, and oranges. Our dinner is cooking, and if you've been around, you know that we eat after they go to bed just because we want to get baths done, reading books, do the whole nighttime routine that you saw this week. So I'm gonna give this to the kids outside since they're hanging out there, and get started on our portion of the night. Both kids are in the bath with my husband right now, and I'm just going to eat my dinner quickly and then we will trade spots. But I like to take my soft shells and then some guacamole and put it in there, and then stick my hard shell on there and then fill it with everything. My husband will do the same but with this queso and his meat that I made him, and we'll top it pretty much the same way here. So here's my finished plate. I have some of my sides in there as well as some Miyoko's cheese that I topped it with. My trick for the Miyoko's is to freeze it and then thaw it out for like maybe 20 minutes and then shred it. And I've found that it doesn't fall apart quite as much. If you buy that brand, you may know that it's made from nuts or something like that, so it tends to crumble apart. Alright, my friends, I am going to end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed today's day in the life. I'm laughing because I can hear my son getting out of his room. So another struggle us parents have. We are going to sit here and watch Stranger Things and enjoy each other's company. I really hope you enjoyed today's day in the life, and stick around for Sunday's video. It will be something food recipe related. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.